How to compare two objects in C Sharp. If you're interested to check out the same video in Hindi language, check the YouTube description. So to compare the two objects, definitely we required one class. So here is my class, let's say student. And I have created one class, and let me create the object of obj1 and object 1 of a student class, and same way let me create another object, uh, obj2 is equal to new student. Fine. Now okay, now let me write if conditions over here as well as the else block over here. Okay, fine. So inside the if, definitely as a beginner we prefer that let's just compare two object with the, okay, I'm sorry. Let's just compare the both the object with the use of a equal to operator. So let me write the line obj1 is equal to obj2, and let's just write the console dot write line, and let's just write our both are equal, right? And let me just copy the same line and paste it inside this else block. Both are not equal. Okay, now we imagine that when we run our application, our line number 14 gets executed. We wish that the line 14 gets executed. So let me just place the breakpoint over here, um, and run the application. All right. Okay, you can see that though the object 1 and object 2 both are belong to the student class, still our else block gets fired. So the question arises, you can see that when I move from and came out from this else block inside the console, it will show me that both are not equal. So the question arises that how we can compare two objects in our C sharp. So at that time we have to use the method named GetType. GetType helps you to get the type from the object. Based on the object, whatever the object you have specified, so based on the object it will try to find it out that okay, the object 1 belongs to the student class and object 2 is belong to student class. So if both the objects are equal, then it will shows me the if block, right? So in a C sharp, if you are interested to compare the two object, if again I repeat, if you are interested to compare the two object, you need to use the GetType. Now let me save this application and run it again. Okay, so console dot read key and save this application. Fine. Again let me run it. You can see that now our if block gets executed, and here it shows me both are equal. So very simple. During the interview as a fresher, the question gets asked like what is the difference between the what is the difference between simple equal to operator comparing the two object with the equal to and get type, and which block gets executed. Now in the next video we definitely going to cover about the type of and why the double equal to not works. That thing will also cover in next couple of video. So please subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you.